start with one of our purpose, I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned with the breakout of 0.11, we can expect the price even break 0.107. And we mentioned we expecting the price drop to 0.095. Anyway, this is what we get, and we discussed how we can look for buy. Anyway, there was opportunity to look for buy from here, and one of the indication with the divergence. All right, because we mentioned the divergence and as well here, because we mentioned, if you refer to my last analysis, when we are within this move, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this correction as a first, second, and third. When we see the confirmation with the breakout of this and even the previous low, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade. This is what we have been looking for, and this is what I discussed in my analysis. Anyway, there was opportunity to look for buy either from here or here. For those traders, they get the trade from here. Right now, either move their stop loss to break even or take out the profit. All right, we shouldn't keep the trade without the stop loss. And now we want to see what's the next. Anyway, we start with daily chart. We want to see what's the next. And as we can see, based on daily chart, we're looking at, if I remove everything, all right, right now, whether we want to see whether we can put this one as a three waves ABC, we cannot consider as that because we don't see the divergence. All right. And in another option, can we consider this one as expanding flat? All right. If this one is expanding flat, then we consider this one as a start of the reversal. But how about if this is the first wave and this is a correction? In that case, we can expect to get one move up. This one turn to bigger correction for one more drop before we get the reversal. That means we have two options. And the reason is we cannot consider this is as a three wave, even this is as a first wave. That means even as a second wave as a correction. We cannot consider as a three waves, which is ABC, since we don't have the divergence. Then if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But in the bigger picture, we should know, may this one give us one more drop. That's means we should know how to manage our trade as what I explained based on 1 hour chart. And if I move to forward chart, right now, we're looking at this. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. The best thing is if we move to 1 hour chart, right? And if I move to 1 hour chart, right now, we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. Okay. The best things, if we want to get the trade from here, the best things is if we get one more drop. At least we see the flat. Any reversal as a sharp move flag, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes from here, we will take it. This is the best I'm looking for. But if we want to put our entry above here, which first things, if the price tag, mostly we will see the divergence. That means if anyone wants to put their entry above the top, we need to see the price sharply breaking. Continue if the price tag, even within the first or second hours, is not moving, we are not going to keep the trade, because any continuation from here with a divergence, we can expect to get one more drop. That's why the best thing is if we get one more drop, this is one turn to a flat. Then now the traders, they can make a decision how they want to trade, but we need to see the breakout of this zone, which is 0.104, following by 0.109. If we get any trade from here, we need to see the breakout of this. And when we see the breakout of this zone, this is where at least we move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, to look for trade here, as I mentioned, we prefer this one turn to a more complex correction or bigger correction, which is at least one more drop before we take the trade. The reason is we mentioned may this one turn to a correction for one more drop. And the update for this analysis is for those traders, they get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.